For create companies, go to navigator and companies, right click, add, give a name, select the company and you can put company address, telephone number, fax, email ID, etc. And type, you can specify the type of the company like architect or building contractor, consultant, etc. XYZ. Select, change the type, architect. Now click on user, right click, add. In login, you can write any name of the user. Role, you can select the role. You can select the companies. And you can put password also. Okay. Right click, add another person as user. Role as planner, company ABC. Okay. Select Sanjeev, and here you can put name, telephone number, email ID, mobile number, role, company, and in permission you can specify the permission. Go to role and you can add other role also. Engineer, architect, or MEP engineer, civil engineer, etc. Go to user, right click, add, Namdev. Now you can option to select civil engineer, AP engineer, architect, etc. In this way, you can select any project's different sketch holder name or company names, their users and their respective roles.